Hey, it's Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. And the master plan today is we are talking about a powerful yet super easy to use cloning tool. So whether you're upgrading your SSD or just want a complete backup of your current system, this software makes cloning your drive effortless. Let's go ahead and take a look. Aomi Cloner Professional is software designed to help you clone disks, migrate your OS, upgrade your storage without the hassle. No complicated steps, no data loss. Just click clone and done. Cloning your drive is essential if you're upgrading to a new SSD, moving your OS to a new machine, or replacing a failing hard drive. And with Aomi Cloner Pro, it's incredibly easy. Okay, so you want to see a quick demo? I'm going to go ahead and clone my current hard drive to this new one while keeping my computer on and running at the same time. It's incredible. In a few minutes, your entire drive is cloned and ready to boot. So under the hood, you got some great options. One of my favorite ones is that it lets you clone larger drives to smaller drives as long as the data fits. So the Cloner Pro supports all the major file systems like NTFS, FAT32, and exFAT, and more. It works with Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, 32-bit, and 64-bit. And because it's designed for both personal and professional use, it's reliable enough for an IT tech, but simple enough for a home user. Now there is a free version of this software, but the Cloner Pro gives you premium features like System Clone. Well, let's go over some pros and cons. The pros of this is very easy to use, fast and reliable. Full disk and system cloning, great SSD optimization. Cons are, well, it's Windows only. Some features are locked behind the Pro version. It's not available for Mac or Linux, but if you're on Windows, this tool is rock solid. So let's be honest. Aomi Cloner Professional, while it is hands down one of the best disk cloning tools out there for Windows, whether you're a casual user, upgrading your SSD, or an IT pro managing multiple systems, this software saves time and headaches. I dropped a link in the description where you can try it out or grab the Pro version. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and tap that notification bell for more tech reviews and tutorials just like this. So in closing, I know many of you are going to get on your keyboard and start typing down below and telling me about this program or that program that can do the same thing for free. While there are other options out there, there's very few that are as easy or do it as well as this software does in Windows. But I will tell you that if you know of other software, please feel free to join in the discussion. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know about what you know about. This is a community, and it's all about helping all of us learn about new tools, new software, and new things, and how to discover them and how to use them. And that's what I'm here for. So if that's what you're here for, then definitely don't forget to subscribe, because there'll be much more great information coming your way on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.